This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the SM-T274 and how to reset or remove the grand total from your daily Z report. So when you produce a Z report on this machine, you get your cash in draw total showing what you've taken today or on this time period, and then you get the GT at the bottom. The GT is non-resettable. Well, the only way to reset it is to totally wipe the machine, in which case you then lose all your programming information. You can, however, set it so that it doesn't show the grand total on the report. To do this, it's key round to PGM, then free subtotal 0822 subtotal 02 cash subtotal. We now turn the key to reg, fire a quick sale through, and then pop one of our reports through. We're now expecting the £10 sale to appear on the Z report, the daily report, but we're not expecting the grand total to be on there. You should be aware that the grand total's still in the machine and still chugging away. It's just your reports are simplified by not showing it. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to this channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.